Can you live without electricity these days? No matter where I look, every device, gadget, and appliance relies on a steady stream of those electrons in order to function. It's just like we rely on food as our energy source. Mankind has come to take electricity for granted. And why just mankind? Even my pets have come to rely on electricity. The energy meter keeps ticking or turning or blinking or whatever it is that meters do these days. And the annual cost of electricity keeps increasing year after year, thanks either to a microbe that brought the world to its knees or an invader who had nothing better to do. And then, during one of those heat waves this year, I had a brainwave. I had been thinking of going for a rooftop photovoltaic system for a few years now, but have always been held back by the daunting cost and the fear of equipment obsolescence. Spending upward of €20,000 for technology that attains break even in 20 years, during which that technology could well become obsolete, surely wasn't for me. Thankfully, over the last few years, balcony solar systems have grown in popularity, mostly due to their accessibility and ease of installation. In most cases, all that's involved in a balcony system installation is connecting everything up and simply plugging it in. I decided to buy my balcony solar system from a company named Anker Solix. Their SolarBank 2 E1600 Pro, launched in June 2024, ticked all the boxes and more. This is the world's first all-in-one balcony system with storage that can generate up to 2400 watts. With its 4 MPPT, which is short for maximum power point tracking algorithm that extracts the maximum available power from every PV module, you can connect 4 solar panels, choosing from several options such as IBC, which is short for interdigitated back contact, PERC, short for passivated emitter and rear cell, and bifacial panels. I opted for the IBC technology, but more on that in a separate video. Though the main unit has a built-in battery storage of 1.6 kilowatt hour, you can add up to 5 extra storage modules of 1.6 kilowatt hour capacity each, taking the total storage to 9.6 kilowatt hours. I chose to start with just 3 extra modules with a total capacity of 6.4 kilowatt hours. I managed to snag one of Anker's early bird offers where I got the entire package for €3,700 instead of the sticker price of 4,900. This included the mounting brackets for the solar panels and a free smart meter which enables intelligent power delivery to the house on demand. While most elements are DIY or plug and play, an electrician is needed for installing the smart meter in the meter cabinet. But it's good to know that the system can function even without the smart meter. Installation was a breeze, and I was assisted by my wife while moving the heavy solar panels. 2 hours later, everything was connected and I was setting up the app on my mobile phone. After testing that everything was working properly, my wife and I moved all 4 panels to a better location where they had increased sunshine through the day. This requires extension cables, but that's another video in itself. It is worth noting that while these panels can generate electricity even in dim light, you need a sunny day in order to charge up to 100%. And for that, you need a bit of luck too. The batteries are shipped with 85% state of charge, and it takes 2 to 3 hours to get to 100%. When I checked my electricity meter at around 3 p.m. on a particularly sunny day, it was feeding current into the external grid, even after meeting my household demand. And at the end of the day, the app showed that the daily power generation was 7.6 kilowatt hours. With that, have I done my bit for the environment and for the future of my children? I guess I have.